What are gun holsters? A gun holster is an irreplaceable and important companion of any gun. If you are living in a state that requires weapons to be concealed, then chances are you will need a gun holster every time you bring your gun. Holsters can become a personal item as guns may be carried daily. Gun holsters may even be used in competitions requiring for fast drawing of the gun. Before we continue, make sure to like, subscribe, and share if you find this video to be helpful and enjoyable. What are gun holsters made out of? Inexpensive materials used for holsters are available, offering fast gun withdrawal. These holsters are often made with plastic or kydex, which is a type of thermoplastic. These offer fast withdrawal, adjustable gun angle, and are very sturdy. Often these gun holsters lasts almost a lifetime. The most common holster material used is typically leather. It's a material that has been the standard and used by shooters for a very long time. Some leather gun holsters may be colored with dye, which makes for solid, good-looking gun holsters. Although it makes an attractive holster, the dye may bleed through your clothes when you perspire. Quality leather gun holsters are made with horse leather that can last a long time. Modern gun holsters are made with kydex, plastic, carbon fiber and other synthetic materials that are light, cheap, and durable. These are great quality holsters that will serve its purpose for a long time. Bring it with you during your travels as these are weatherproof, offering superior protection for your gun where you don't have to worry about your gun falling off or get water inside of it. How do you put on a gun holster? First off, you need a gun belt for your holster. The belt has to be tough so that the gun holster won't slide or sway while you are moving. You have to choose a comfortable gun belt and holster. Choose whether you like the gun holster outside your waist belt, OWB, or inside waist belt, IWB. For OWB gun holsters, a hard plastic holster or duty holster is great for this purpose. Leather gun holsters are usually great for IWB holsters. These can be comfortable, although can become a discomfort if the weather is hot, as sweat can accumulate on the holster area. The OWB gun holster is the easiest and simplest to use. Just secure it outside your belt waistband. It is generally attached by a clip or a belt slide. The belt slide holsters are attached by sliding your belt through the loop of the holster. You have to make sure that the holster is placed on the side you want it to be before fastening your belt to your waist. Clip holsters are easily put on your belt. Attach or hook it to your belt after fastening your belt securely to your waistline. IWB holsters are the same with OWB holster attachments that also have clips or a belt slide. You just have to fasten your belt to your waistline before attaching IWB holsters. How to wear a gun shoulder holster. Shoulder holsters are a good alternative to gun holsters that are attached to your belt. They can become comfortable, especially if you are not moving too much while carrying your gun. For the first step in putting on your shoulder holster is making sure it is fitted properly. After that, make sure that the gun is holstered properly, as this is its main purpose. The holsters are usually adjustable. Slide it upwards close to your armpit. A general rule of thumb is to make sure there is a gap of 2 inches between the holster and armpit. Pick a holster that is adjustable so you can customize the position, making it more comfortable. You can swap the magazine pouch and the holster to where your dominant hand is. The holster should be opposite of where your dominant hand is. You can adjust the angle of the holster to your preference. You can now put the magazine in the magazine pouch and your gun into the gun holster. You can practice drawing your weapon and holstering it so that you can adjust it if necessary. Practicing can make your holster more comfortable and makes for a quicker draw. How to draw a gun from a holster. Drawing a gun from its holster is like those you see on Western film shoot-offs. There are usually 2 men in front of a saloon at a main street, and whoever draws their gun the fastest and shoots, win. You may notice that they keep their gun close to their body. This is so that you can easily draw your gun from your waist. It limits the travel time of your hand to point and shoot to your target. Get a proper gun grip so you don't have to adjust while shooting. Your support hand, not touching the trigger, while drawing your gun must be close to your body to avoid risking it in front of the muzzle. Keep your trigger finger on the side of the gun while drawing. Then bring the gun forward until it is pointed to your target. The muzzle should be kept below or at the line of the target. You don't want to point the muzzle above the target, as these often cause inaccuracy. For reholstering your gun, make sure the safety is engaged. Avoid having your finger in the trigger area while reholstering. Also make sure that any clothing gets out of the way in your holster. Make sure that there is space for you to holster your gun. Practice is key in drawing and reholstering your gun. Take it slow and easy for the first few tries. It's better to be safe and slow than to cause unwanted accidents, especially when it involves a weapon. How old do you have to be in order to buy a gun holster? If you are planning to buy a gun holster and are wondering if there's an age limit in order to buy one, the answer is there is none. If you're planning to buy someone a gun holster as a gift, you are free to do so. You can easily buy a gun holster online, such as Amazon, OpticsPlanet, or eBay. Keep in mind that the no age limit applies only when buying a gun holster and not the gun itself. Thank you for watching. Make sure to visit our website, tacticalears.net, for more content like this, including reviews and information for shooters.